Hello everyone, this is Aman, your full stack instructor. Welcome to Perfect eLearning family. In today's class, we will discuss how to add ordered lists in HTML. So let's start without any delay. So students, in our previous lecture, we learned how to add unordered lists in HTML. So this was the code or sample code of adding unordered lists, and this is how it looked on our web page. So there is no ordering like 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C, D, and we have created one nested unordered list also here. So now let's learn how to add ordered lists in HTML. So I am creating one new HTML file, ordered list.html, generate sample code, change the title, ordered list. So I'll again add one heading, list of colors. Now this time we will be adding ordered list. So for unordered list, there was one tag, ul tag. And for ordered list, there is another tag which is called ol tag. So ol stands for ordered list. Okay. Rest of the process is similar, like we have created the ordered list. Now we will be adding list items in this ordered list. So I'll add first list item, which is blue, then I'll add second list item, red, I'll add another list item, green, then another list item, purple. Okay, let's see how the code looks. Now as you can see, an ordered list is added on the web page, and here is the order which we can see like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the list is maintaining the order of the items. That is why it's called the ordered list. Now we can change the type of ordering also. Like I don't want these to be numbers, I want these to be A, B, C, D. Then we can change that by adding one attribute in the order list tag. I can change the type. So I want type to be A. So as you can see, now the ordered is different. It's saying A, B, C, and D. I can add another type also, like you can see all type of all the options of types which are available in the HTML. Like one is numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, capital A, B, C, D, small a, B, C, D, and Roman also, like Roman, as you can see. Now we can also do like here I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want my list to start from 100 instead of 1. Then we can provide start value also to the list. So I want my list to start from, okay, wait. I want my list to start from 100. So as you can see, now my list is starting from 100. Now if I uh, set the type to A, and if I start from 4, so it will choose the fourth alphabet in my ABC. So A, B, C, and D. So my list will start from D. As you can see, the list is starting from D now. In ordered list also we can create nested lists. So as in unordered list we created nested list, in ordered list also we can create nested lists. So let's create one nested list. I am creating one nested list here, and I can say light blue, and adding one more list item, dark blue, and adding one more list item, navy blue. Okay, as you can see, a nested ordered list has been created. We can create nested unordered list in ordered list also. Like if I change the ol tag with ul tag, then you can see here unordered list has been created. And we can do vice versa, like we can create a ordered list inside of unordered list, or unordered list inside of ordered list. So we can create vice versa. So this was a basic overview of ordered lists in HTML. I hope you have learned this topic very well. So now practice or learn by yourself. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.